Hello friends, welcome to Learn Online. We are going to discuss some important general knowledge questions and answers from our environment and its pollution. So let's start.
First question: greenhouse effect is mainly caused by CFC or chlorofluorocarbon, CH4 or methane, CO2 or carbon dioxide, CO or carbon monoxide. The answer is carbon dioxide. Option number C, carbon dioxide. Next question: acid rain is due to increase in atmospheric concentration of O3 means ozone and dust. Second option, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Third option, sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. Fourth option, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. So the answer is option number D, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Okay. Next question: which of the following is a secondary pollutant? Options are carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. So the answer is option number B, sulfur trioxide. Next question. Question number 4. Minamata occurs in Japan, Australia, India, China. So friends, Minamata is a disease occurs in which country? Japan, Australia, India or China? So the answer is option number 1, that is Japan. Next question. Term used for accumulation of non-degradable pollutant in higher trophic level is biomagnification, eutrophication, bion, ecotone. So the answer is option number 1, biomagnification. So next question. Eutrophication is often seen in freshwater lakes, ocean, mountains, deserts. The answer is freshwater lakes, option number 1. Next question. The main cause of pollution in metro cities is burning of fossil fuels, water plants, domestic products, none of the above. So the answer is burning of fossil fuels, option number A, first option, burning of fossil fuels. Next question. Cigarette smoking causes skin cancer, blood cancer, bone cancer, lung cancer. So the answer is option number D, lung cancer. Next question. Which of the following diseases is related to cadmium pollution? Options are Minamata, pneumoconiosis, anemia, itai. So the answer is option number D, itai. Okay, option number D. Next question. Ultraviolet radiations from sunlight causes a reaction that produces fluorides, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone. So the answer is option number A, fluorides. Next question. The oxygen concentration at the floor of the deep ponds and lakes is very low because of the overhanging column of water, lesser amount of sunlight, decomposes, large number of annual inhabitants. So the answer is option number C, decomposers. Next question. NEERI is National Ethological and Ecological Research Institute, National Eugenics and Ecological Research Institute, National Ecological and Environment Research Institute, National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. So the answer is option number D, that is National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. Next question. Maximum greenhouse gases are released by India, Britain, USA, France. So the answer is option number C, that is USA. Next question. Common indicator organism of water pollution is Lemna pansicostata, Econia craspis, Escherichia coli, Entamoeba histolytica. So the answer is Escherichia coli. Next question. Decibel is standard abbreviation used for the quantitative expression of the density of bacteria in a medium, a particular pollutant, the dominant bacillus in a culture, a certain pesticide. So the answer is a particular pollutant, option number B. Okay. Next question. Eutrophicated lake has BOD, lower, higher, dependent on climate, may be lower or higher. So friends, the full form of BOD is biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand. Okay friends. So the question is, eutrophicated lake has BOD, lower, higher, dependent on climate, may be lower or higher. So the answer is higher. Next question. Global warming can be controlled by reducing deforestation, cutting down use of fossil fuel, reducing reforestation, increasing the use of fossil fuel, increasing deforestation, slowing down the growth of human population, increasing deforestation, reducing efficiency of energy usage. So the answer is option number 1, option number A, reducing deforestation, cutting down use of fossil fuel. Next question. The intensity level of whispering noise is 10 to 15 decibel, 20 to 40 decibel, 45 to 50 decibel, 50 to 55 decibel. So the answer is 10 to 15 decibel, option number A. Next question. CFCs are responsible for ozone layer depletion, global warming, acid rain, none of the above. The answer is option number A, ozone layer depletion. Next question. The cause of decline in the population of reptiles and birds is TTT, biofertilizer, bioinsecticides, sewage. So the answer is option number D, that is sewage. Next question. If there were no atmosphere around the earth, the temperature of the earth will increase, go on decreasing, increase during day and decrease during night, none of the above. The answer is increase during day and decrease during night, option number C. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is a recently organized problem of environment? Ozone layer depletion, greenhouse effect, global warming, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Option number D. Next question. One of the following processes is not a step involved in the water cycle operating in nature. Identify. Evaporation, transpiration, precipitation, photosynthesis. The option number D is the correct answer, that is photosynthesis. Next question. Low visibility during cold weather is due to formation of fossil fuel, unburnt carbon particles or hydrocarbon suspended in air, lack of adequate power supply, none of the above. The answer is unburnt carbon particles or hydrocarbon suspended in air, that is option number B. Next question. Man-made source of air pollution is forest fires, burning of fossil fuel, dust storms, pollens. So the answer is option number B, that is burning of fossil fuel.
So friends, this is the end of this video. जदि आपण मानकु वीडियोटी पसंद आछि तेबे लाइक शेयर एवं कमेंट करंतु। थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।